we finally arrived at the topic I'm personally most excited about. We're going to discuss how to optimize your keyword bids, a critical component in managing Amazon PPC campaigns. From personal experience, I can say that keyword bidding alone is one of the largest contributors, if not the largest contributor, to improved performance when I take over an account compared to how it was performing under previous management. This is because we use a carefully calibrated method to optimize our bids, aiming to find the sweet spot between maximizing sales and visibility while simultaneously maintaining margins and profitability. We're excited to take you behind the curtain to show you those exact methods. But before we do that, let's talk briefly about some common mistakes people make. Most Amazon advertisers rely on automations to manage their bids. In our experience, automated solutions often create a variety of problems, from overly simplistic logic that simply doesn't work to overstepping boundaries and completely taking control away from the PPC manager so that he or she is powerless in this critical task. There are a number of reasons one might opt to manage bids manually. Now, automations may be able to get you around 60 to 80% of optimal performance. And while some people might get excited about obtaining those results without having to do any manual work or math of any kind, we're going to demonstrate how just by spending 15 to 20 minutes each week and using some simple algebra, you can achieve that extra 20 to 40% of performance for maximum results. We're going to introduce the 4 criteria for when you should make bid changes, as well as how to calculate the bids in each of those scenarios. These 4 criteria will essentially function as filters, which you can apply in your spreadsheets or use directly in the Amazon Ads console to identify specific keywords that need optimization. The 4 criteria are high ACoS keywords, low ACoS keywords, keywords with high spend and no sales, and low visibility keywords. So let's jump over to the whiteboard and break these down and work out the mathematical formulas that we use to extract as much performance as possible from our keywords.